Oh shit. Oh shit. Consistently turning the stream on is fucking satisfying, okay? When you don't have all those problems beforehand, this is fucking good. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the music for a second, and we're gonna continue, right? We're gonna continue with this thing. Actually, I wanna play, different songs, but, I can only play Deltron. God damn it. I can only play that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that for now. Shit. Hold on a second. Okay. Okay. For our feature presentation. Feature. Doing this again. Yeah. I need to look at what I've done yesterday because I don't remember. Again. No, that makes you scream. Rhythm folks. Mr. Antenna's TV line. Okay. This and this. Everything's good. So far, so good. Alright. Only thing left to try.
Собираешься в автомобильное путешествие? Купи штатную магнитолу с навигатором.
И камерой заднего вида.
Штатные магнитолы по демократичным ценам. Магазин «Модерн Автомузыка» на Киевской, 15.
Телефон 44 13 14.
«Модерн Автомузыка».
Шестаков Владимир Сергеевич, Гарант ИП 311 701 732 500 243.
What do you mean by turn on the lights, right? So the lights are going to be something in here, right? For example, let's do in the room, like an empty object there is going to be empty lights. Here I'm going to add the light, spotlight, right? Shit. And I'm gonna put this here, right above the thing. Okay, I can do that. Okay, maybe like that. 25, right? Yeah. And the last one is gonna be in here, right? It's gonna be 16 or something. Yeah. Okay, let's play it like that. We gotta see how everything's gonna look. Yo, what if I turn this red? Can I actually play with this? Like, can I actually play with the colors? It's interesting. Can I play with the colors? Huh. What if I turn this red? Ooh. Actually, yeah. Actually, I can. Oh, I actually can, though. So I can turn this any color I want, right? Yeah, right. I can turn this to any color I want. And also the player. Yeah, this is actually cool. Okay. We'll click and boom, everything is lit up. But the problem is, the lights themselves are not lighting up the thing, which is the ceiling, just a little bit. So probably gonna have the inner light, right? Or something like this. Or I can extend the reach, but it's gonna be probably not good. Feel like, yeah, it's not a good look though. Well, let's try that first. Maybe altogether it will look good, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, how's this? I mean, kind of, yeah, but actually could be no. I'm not sure. Well, it looks stylish though. It kind of looks stylish, right? Kind of looks stylish. Yeah, like, it looks stylish. That's what it is. Okay, can my light be, you know, like different colors so I can, yeah, I can use that to determine, oh shit, you know, like if there's an object, right, that I need to reach, you know, the thing is gonna turn, you know, like for example, red, right? I need to go here. Maybe green actually. Maybe green is more useful. You can be like, oh shit, I need to do that. Actually really interesting. Yeah. If there's gonna be something dangerous or like it's gonna be like, oh shit, it's gonna turn orange or something. Come on, wake up. Okay, let's go. Let's lead him somewhere. Yeah, I think that's good. That's good. Oh my god, that's good. That's actually good. Okay, but first of all, I need something like, you know, like background walls, right? So I'm gonna use something to make them. Oh, it's probably gonna be just, you know, like an easy tile set. What is it? Yeah. An easy tile set I'm going to make. Just gonna be, you know, just pure blackness. Total blackness. Okay, it's gonna be this color. Then it's gonna be this color. Then it's gonna be this color. And then it's gonna be the whitest color imaginable. Ooh, looks like a pattern though. Ooh, looks good. Ooh, looks good. Jesus, it looks good. Oh, wait, I could actually use it like that. Ooh, it looks good. Okay. But still though, okay. Increasing the width, I need this color to be here. Okay, let's cut off this part. I don't need that. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Let's export that as our wall tile set walls. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use that. And you know what? Actually, today I can do like 3 hours. Okay? 3 hours could be good. Like, it actually could be good if they are productive. So yeah, I'm going to do that. But before, I need to make everything crisp and looking neat. Alright. Now I can see everything correctly. Alright. Now let's do it like that. 16 by 16. Slice it all. Apply the tile set. I mean, I will have a tile set in the moment. Let me just find it in here. Calculate. Yeah. We'll call this walls, right? Now we have the walls. I need to cut it and place it in here. Where is it? Tile maps, right? Okay, and those will go into tile. Okay. Now we have everything intact. Now I need to find the grid, right? There's gonna be a first tile map, then I'm gonna create a new tile map in here, in the grid. And for that I need 2D something rendering? No, UI. Oh shit. Yeah, tile map. Rectangular. Okay. Walls. This is gonna be walls, and this is going to be floor. I mean, blocks, right? And let's update that so I don't lose anything at all. Okay, now let's begin doing things. Right? I need the scene, I need to open the palette, and I need to hide everything in walls. And I'm actually gonna do this, you know, like the way I intended it to do. Oh shit. Yeah, totally forgot about that. Hold on a second. I need to readjust my texture. Where is it? Where is it? Did I placed it not in here. Probably in here, right? Tutorial? No. Where is it? Oh my god. I lost it. Whatever. Tile maps, tiles, maybe here? No. Okay, wolves. Where are they though? Who uses them? Walls, 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 walls. Probably here? In the script? No. Resources. Textures. Where are the wolves? Prefabs. Oh, there it is. Okay. It's a 16, by the way. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, besides the point, now I'm gonna do what I was about to do, right? I'm gonna take this palette and start coloring shit. Okay, run. How did I do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yeah. Now I'm gonna copy this in here. This thing. Ah, shit. How do I do this? God. Like that, right? Yeah. Okay, let's do that. Shit. Let's color it like that. I don't mind it. And I don't mind. Leaving out a wish list. Okay. Okay. Do like that. Do like that. Do like that. Do like that. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now we have everything intact. I need the renderer. I need the layer to be like -10. Freaking whatever. And yeah, it's gonna be applied. Now let's see how it's gonna look like, right? Okay. Now there's one last thing to do. I have to wake up. Okay, but the lights are gonna be turned off, right? So yeah, ooh, I'm gonna be like this, right? Okay, and now I know how to make this tutorial work. Now I know how to make this tutorial work. But firstly, I need to find the thing, which is JSON, right? Game text JSON. Okay, I'm gonna add to it one thing. Why is the tab size so big? Jesus. Can it be just 2? Thank you. So annoying. Okay. Okay, learning room. Right? So I'm gonna copy and paste this. Place it in here. Before the event, right? It doesn't matter the order, right? But, you know, it's like, for me, logically. So, Morgan woke up. Or just woke up, right? Mm, okay, this is going to be a different sentence. Okay. Let's actually leave it here, but I'm gonna remove this shortly after. Okay. I need this. Yeah, I need that. Okay. Room. Not woke up, but you know, first click, right? As if somebody. Okay. Sometimes it feels as if my body's moving on its own, leading me to places. And me blindly following its orders. Hoping that one day, sometimes it feels as if my body is moving on its own, leading me to places and me blindly following its orders. Like a donkey sometimes. Okay, I have 2 new, features, and that's great. It's gonna continue. It's gonna be better if I do it like that. Okay, so when I click on the bet frame, right, and he's popping off. He's popping off. Okay, and he is popping out of the bed, right? What do I do with that, right? I have the sleeping state, whatever. What does it do? It just instantiates him, right? Let me do it like that. So as field, is going to be shit. Okay. So as field, string on wake up chapter, speech name on spawn, right? And on spawn, the chapter name, right? I'm going to take its. I'm gonna save this as game object, Morgan, right? And Morgan is going to have the component which is text maker, right? And the children, right? And its children. I'm gonna take that text maker. Okay. Well, obviously because not in the namespace, so I have to add the custom components in. Okay. Man, why don't it uplift itself? So dumb. Okay, let's go. Now we have the text maker, TM, right? And TM speak this. And obviously there's going to be an objective, right? So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and I'm also gonna have an objective reader, right? that I made yesterday, where, right, it's going to be the same thing. Called objective reader, right? There you go. I mean Morgan, right? Not just me. The thing, Morgan, right? Morgan, the component. And children. Okay, TM speak. The thing. Okay, actually I need headers. That's what I realized right now. I need headers. Because this is gonna be insane, okay? Speeches. Assigned speeches, right? And this is going to be all the variables, right? Other variables. This is actually insane. Okay, and what is it gonna do? Assign speeches. On speech. And on spawn objective, right? Name. Right? And woke up. And objective is to find whatever it is, right? I hope I didn't oversleep. I need to find my phone. Where in the hell put my phone last night? Where in the hell did I put my phone last night? It's like, it's... Okay, this is going to be an objective, right? Objective, my phone. Okay. For now, it's gonna be just it, right? Okay, the on spawn objective name is gonna be... Okay, First, I need to recompile all of this. Okay. The bet frame script didn't change at all because speak doesn't take arguments. Oh yeah. Yeah. So for this, TM has to speak the thing, which is I already placed that right. Which is going to be speech. I mean parsed speech. Wake up speech, right? It's going to be new parsed speech from the index serializer. Get speech. Chapter name is going to be our chapter name, and the other thing, which is speech name, right? Is going to be speech name. There it is. Okay, now this works good. Speak on wake up speech, whatever it is, just speak it. Okay. Now we have this. Speak the objective, right? Sign the objective. Okay, maybe what I actually need to do is to not do all of this bullshit, right? I mean, the stop objective. Not only this, right? Yeah, I mean, if he is speaking, right? Okay, I'm assigning the thing. If objective repeater isn't null, right? Then stop it for routine. Yeah, let's do it like that then. And just say stop the current objective. And assign a new objective. This on wake up speech. Oh, I mean, yeah. Yeah. Do it like that, and then put this here. Okay, now this works. And this is going to be... Oh, actually, no. Actually, I need... Whatever. And there's going to be other speech, which is... Speech on wake up speech, right? Text serializer gets speech, which is chapter name this, speech name that. Objective speech, right? Objective, right? Here we go. Active. And the same on speech name. I mean, definitely. I mean, other way around, right? It's this against this. Yeah. Man, I'm losing it. Okay, so that's objective. Objective is going to be this. Okay, let's try this one. The objective name is this. I'm gonna place right now. Okay, save it. Woke up is this, right? Capture name is tutorial. Okay, now this is going to be this. Okay, now let's try to do this. Yeah, it happened again. How did I fix this the last time? Oh yeah, I remember now. Need to make each one the object, right? Now it should work, right? Okay, that should work. Let's do that. Okay. There we go. Parse errors. What this time? Okay. Place this. Everything's correct. Objective, find my phone. What happened though? I don't get it. Interesting. Interesting. That frame. Okay, the web frame's totally good, but what happened though? Okay, something went wrong. Not sure where though. Okay, maybe the web frame, but it did work last time, right? So something must have gone wrong here. Oh, there it is. Okay, now I can remove from there. Yeah. That should work, right? Okay, finding this one error. Kind of hard to do, yeah. You have to wake up. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I made it bulletproof, but yeah, kind of bit my own ass right here. Well, where is it? Tutorial phone, right? Yeah. So, tutorial phone, what are you gonna do about it? You are going to stop the objective. Objective reader. Okay. Okay, now I can see how it's gonna work. Okay, the light is gonna turn different colors to kind of signify that something is right, wrong, whatever. You shouldn't go there, you shouldn't do that. It's kind of bad, it's kind of good, right? The light can indicate whether something's good or not. Okay, this is great. Man, what a weird dream. I hope I didn't oversleep. I need to find my phone. Where in the hell did I put my phone last night? Where is it? Okay. Okay. Did I not save this the last time? I did, but they're kind of piled up. You want one wrong here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, actually. Uh... Okay, what happens with the logic in this moment? See things more clearly. Oh, doubles it. Yeah, it doubles it. What? What happened? Why did it double down on the thing? Okay. What is going on here? It definitely does something, like double. Does some double, but I'm not sure what to make of it, right? Okay, so the objective reader has the ability to, like assign the objective. What it does is it starts the coroutine. Yeah, and it assigns it to a new one, and it starts a new one. So, oh come on, what am I doing? What am I doing actually? Jesus Christ, what the fuck? What the fuck is this? Okay, sorry for that, guys. Okay, that was so dumb of me. Okay, stop routine. It's just wait. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Wait, how did I double it though? That I have. Oh, it stops the. Oh, it makes the. I mean, I still don't get it, but whatever. How it updates the second one, right? The question is. Whatever, right? Oh, it doesn't quit from the. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Okay, let's try it one more time, and then I'm gonna move forward from there. There it is. If I do everything fast enough, I won't be late to work. There we go. There we go. Now everything works fine, which I like. And obviously the reader ain't cutting it, right? It's just ain't cutting it. Too fast, my guy. Too fast. But I'm gonna fix that, later, because I have all the, variables for that. The speed of the talk, before time, hold time, after time, everything is in its place, right? But there's one thing that I can do right now is I can go to prefabs, go to this guy, and I can change the speaker variable of waiting 10 seconds to, like, I don't know, 25. Let's wait 25. I think this is actually the 25 is like an actual time to think, okay? Before giving me a hint. Actually making a story-driven game is kind of hard. Because, there's no consistency whatsoever. I'm just making components which are kind of one-shots, right? I can't find the systems in which I can, create the thing. If I do everything fast enough, I won't be late to work. I need to turn on the lights to see things more clearly. Okay. Now, what's gonna happen is, okay, we have the hand main light, right? The main light. That's the thing. I have the script of the main light, right? So if I have the main light, I'm able to change its radius, whatever, change the thing. I'm also gonna ask it change the color. Who's gonna do what? Oh yeah, what if there's two? What if there's two? How do I do that? How do I handle that? Let me think of this. What if there's two objectives at the same time? Two things to click at. For example, in my tutorial, there's 4 things, right, to click at. How can I change the color of the thingy? At 4 places. If 4 places at the same time call this one thing. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how am I gonna fix this. Yeah. I need to think about this. I actually need to think about this. Oh, and change speed doesn't do much for me in that sense. Oh. Okay. I need to think about this. So I have one main light. right? And I have 4 sources of the light. Shit. Shit, I'm not sure how it's gonna handle the color thing. Maybe I have the function flag the current objectives, and it's gonna compare them to figure out which call is the closest to it, proximity wise, right? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What if I have the one? You probably don't get what I'm talking about, which is fine because, I'm done. I'm dumb when I try to explain things. But, basically, I have the light, right? This is the light bulb, okay? Okay? So this is the light source, right? And, for example, I have an objective A and B, right? Maybe B even like that, right? And I want to make the function which will change the light's color, depending on the proximity. So the normal one is white. The closer you get, the more green you get, right? To each of those objectives, respectively, right? So how do I handle the, because it's multiple events calling one simple function. So it's gonna flick, right? Depending on who's calling. It's not good. I need, to find the closest to it, right? The closest thing. And then move from there. How do I do that? Oh, I know. I need to make another script. And I'm gonna call this scripts, which is gonna be proximity hint. Proximity hint, right? And proximity hint is gonna contain the color, whichever it is, right? Serialized field color is gonna contain the color, right? Proximity color, right? So the main light is gonna have the normal light, right? Color, normal light. It's going to be color white. I've already established that. Okay, so the color, normal light. The color white. Proximity hint, you're just gonna have the color, right? Nothing else right now, I think. But the main light, on the other hand, will have the list of proximity hints. Proximity hints. Okay? What it is gonna do is here we need to require some kind of, I don't know, maybe circular, right? Require component, right? Require component type of probably circle collider, right? I think circle collider will do. And we're gonna call on trigger enter to D plus on trigger exit to D. Pop from proximity list. Add to proximity list, right? It's gonna be as simple as that. And this proximity list is gonna be here. New list of proximity hints. And public void Well, actually, I'm just gonna have it being public, right? Maybe not. Maybe let's have it private and still, call it public void add to proximity list proximity hint, and also public void remove from proximity list. Okay, proximity hint. It's going to be the same thing. Okay. So we have the proximity list, proximity hints, add proximity hint, but only if it not exists, right? If proximity hint in proximity hints doesn't contain it, right? Then you can do it. Else, let's actually lock this that I don't condone this. Let's have it cyan, no, purple. Let's do it purple. They don't have purple? What the? Let's do it yellow then. To X string, okay. And the message is going to be try to add proximity hint from object name, right? There we go. Proximity hint game object name. But it already exists in the list. If the same thing. The same thing, except remove, right? Right? Okay, that's it. Now, for example, my bet frame is the proximity list, and my bet frame obviously knows about that, right? So bet frame is gonna require type of proximity hint, right? They're gonna require to have a proximity hint. Why? Well, so then when I'm done with finding the object, actually clicking and actually performing what I need to perform, I can go ahead and delete the proximity hint. Okay, let's find the proximity hint, get component, proximity hint, okay. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna start the random shutter if not spawn Morgan, by the way. Right? Right. So then here, when it's done doing all of this, proximity hint, Remove, right? Oh no, how am I gonna do this? Okay, so it removes it on destroy, right? Void on destroy. There we go. On destroy. Now we can do it easily. Okay, main light. Main light. Gonna be found at the awake, which is going to be main light. Find the object of type. Main light, right? So main light add proximity list. Just remove from proximity list is okay, and the same thing goes for this one. When it's done, performing the action, go ahead and remove this. Okay, I think now this works. Okay, so now we go ahead and we destroy on proximity, hence game object, right? No. No. I can't do this. Oh, no. How do I do this, though? On destroy is called on the game object, I think. I need not to destroy the game object itself, but the component, right? Do I have on disable or something like this? Probably don't. Okay, let me do it like that, first of all. So annoying. Okay. Unity. On component removed. Wait, can I actually call destroy on the thing? Okay, let's test this out because I have no clue. Okay, if Unity can do that. Destroy. Fucking proximity hint, right? Destroy its proximity hint. Okay, let's try it again. And now, well, what mainlight is gonna do? It's gonna have an update, right? And it's gonna have the coroutine, which is proximity and coroutine, right? It's gonna be null at first, but later we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, if proximity hints count is more than 0, right? Then what do? We and proximity hint 14 is null. We do what? We do this. We say that start 14, whatever it is, and call it the coroutine we made along the way. Right? What is the coroutine, you may ask? Coroutine is private enumerator. Change proximity color is going to be while the count 70 hints is more than 0, I'm going to change the lights. So the LTD color is going to be a color lerp from a normal color to whatever the proximity fucking thing is. And I have to figure this out, but first of all, I need a break because I want to go to toilet, pee real quick. Real quick. Okay? Real quick. Okay, I am back. I'm back from my break. Okay, what can I do though? Okay, proximity color. Yeah, I have different proximity hints, right? First thing I need to, for each of those proximity hints, right? pH, right? And proximity hints. And what I need to do is I need to collect the colors and find the color that is the most intense in terms of alert, right? The one that's closer, right? The one that is the closest. How do I determine this? The closeness, whatever. Not sure. I think that's easily checkable. pH transform position minus pH minus transform position, right? Yeah. Magnitude, right? I think that's right. Yeah, magnitudes. By the magnitude, right? And what am I gonna do with this? I'm gonna have proximity hint pH closest hint, and I'm going to assign this to whatever it's gonna be. Okay. Proximity hints 0, right? For each of the thing, I'm gonna check is this proximity closest hint. If closest hint transform position minus transform position magnitude, right? I'm gonna compare it, right? Float closest thing, which is closest min distance, right? Min distance. Thank you for that. If min distance is less than current distance, same thing goes for this, right? Yeah. The current distance, then closest hint is pH. At the end, we are translating the color to pH's color, I mean closest hint color, right? I mean, yeah. Actually, gonna be public proximity color. Yeah. Shit. How do I do this? Private set, but actually not. Well, whatever. Color green, for example. Yeah. Yeah. Color. Proximity color. Depending on what? Depending on their distance between them, right? How do I explain this though? Well, it probably depends on, you know, it depends on factors. Well, I said it like the scientist I am. Shit. Well, first of all, change the fucking thing. Change the proximity. Hold on. Okay. Okay. While proximity hints count is more than this, find the minimal distance, right? Color is going to be lerped from the normal light to closest hint's proximity color, which will tell it what to do, right? Load. What I need, the time, right? Between 0 and 1 on scale, how close it is, right? Depending on what exactly. Like, this is so annoying too. Like, it could be 1,000 miles away or something like this. So it should have some kind of proximity. Oh shit! Sorry guys. Sorry. Yeah, you weren't seeing nothing there. I mean, you guys. I'm talking to myself, but yeah. What if somebody's gonna watch this, right? Okay, lights. What did I do? What did I do? Yeah. So, that time. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Okay. So, for example, if it's kind of close, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, maybe starting at 5, it'll change its color. Maybe starting at 5. Yeah, 5 blocks. Okay, this is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks is fine. Yeah. So let's actually do that. Visualize field, float, minimal, change, proximity, distance. It's 5F, for example, right? Okay. For example, 5F, right? Gonna be divided by distance. It's gonna be divided by R minimal something. I already forgot. Proximity distance, right? Okay, let's do that. And yield return, no for now, but that could be optimized because this could get so hideous so quickly, right? If I have, for example, even 5 is like fucking big, right? Big calculations there. You know, expecting it to like, oh shit, work without frame drops is kind of insane. I think, maybe actually 5 you could handle, but when I'm talking about like, well, I'm not gonna have that much probably. Okay, I hope. Creating missing circle collider and whatever. Where's the thing? Circle collider. Let's trigger through. Okay, so the bat frame is gonna have the proximity, right? Hold on, now I know. Wait. Proximity hints has the circle collider, right? Well, first of all, I have to make sure that the circle collider, whatever it is, okay, circle collider, CC2D, CC2D is gonna be get component circle collider to D. I have to make sure that it's trigger set, right? True. And plus, it has to be like public, right? It has to be public. Shit, it has to be public. I think. Or maybe in proximity, well, actually I could internalize that, right? I can make it public float proximity radius, right? Proximity radius. And it's gonna be, for example, like nothing, right? Let's assign it to, I don't know, 1F. But actually it's gonna be assigned here. So you see, proximity and, radius is gonna be CC to D radius. There we go. Now it works. And by default, I'm gonna set the radius, right, to 5F. Is that good? Is that clear? Let's try that. Yeah, I think it kind of works good. But it doesn't do anything. Why is that? It doesn't do anything at all. Oh. Because the minimal whatever, right? No, it's actually going to be pH's, the closest hints radius. Okay. Now we have other problem. That frame is dependent on point of click, which refers us to the thing, which is collider. Oh shit, that's not good. Actually, you know what? I can make an empty proximity hint, right? But how this is gonna go, right? Yeah. Hold on, let me find a way. Capture fallback layers. I think there's something that I can flip that it's not like okay, whatever. Oh shit. Exposed. Okay, how to whatever. How to shit, what am I about to do? How to what? how to... Oh shit. How to hide the... No, how to make collider ignore clicks. Ignore raycast in the layer. Yeah. Okay, ignore raycast layer. Okay. But it's for the whole thing, which is not good. I need for this collider. Maybe like that? I'm not sure. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try to click now. Right? In theory, when I click on this, no, it still works. Yeah. What theory am I talking about? Okay, nothing. Nothing is set. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm not sure. I mean, yeah, I can do that. Oh, it's not necessary. I mean, but it's less, you know, it's less obvious in that sense, right? Whatever. Let's make it like that. Proximity hint, right? And it's gonna have proximity hint attached to it. There we have this collider, whatever. Everyone is happy. Okay? Everyone's happy. And that's what it's all about. Okay, proximity hint. And the proximity hint destroy only if proximity hint exists. Maybe it doesn't exist, right? Who knows? Who knows? Baby knows, okay? Let's go. Let's do that. And the radius is gonna be 5, I think. Well, I mean, yeah. Okay, let's recompile that. I'm pretty sure I've made something kind of for working, right? We're gonna have lots of errors, I think. No, it still captures! What are you doing, bro? Oh, probably forgot to move the thing. No! What the hell? Are you good? Like, hello? Um, I pointer click handler reacts to clicking on children. No, I mean, I still could easily just ignore the raycast, right? I hope. Oh, it's still. Ah, fuck. I don't know. What do I do about this? Stupid fucking thing. Jesus Christ. How to stop. Okay, what the fuck? Make the children not raycast targets. I mean, yeah, he gets the whatever data, right? I could probably work with that. They probably have something for me in there, right? Is it here? Right, on click, where the bet frame is, right? On the click, we have the PED, which is, I don't know what, but does it have the responder, right? Responder pointer res raw pointer press, right? What is this? Game object. So if raw pointer press is me, ED's raw pointer press is me, this game object, then all of this. Well, that's one way to handle it. I don't like it that much. I thought maybe, I could still not trigger it, but it has to be triggered, but I don't know what to do about it. Yep. Now it should work, I think. Well, obviously it should work. Or it will never work. That's my other view, right? Yeah. Exactly what I've told you. Jesus Christ. No, it never works. What the heck? Oh, it's probably because ooh, I could... You know what? Actually, I could layer that, right? I think I could layer that. Okay, the object, type... Who is trying to access it? Remove me from this. Oh, I get it. Okay, whatever. So, I could have it... in layer order, the latest one. Used by effector. Can I put it like... Yeah. Shit. Can I put it... I don't know, -1? Is it gonna do it? -1, no. Right? It wouldn't do it. If it was -1. Oh, shit. Okay, what if proximity hint was like there, right? Could I click the bed? Because it's probably because, the proximity hint, covers the bed. Therefore, I can't click on it, right? Yeah, because of this. Now the question is, how do I remove it? Okay, what is override priority? Maybe -1? Right? Like, is that gonna do something? Callback layers and whatever. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't do much. It seems like it doesn't do much, right? Okay. Oh shit. Hmm. Shit, I'm not sure what to do about this thing. This won't work because, it's still, the mouse pointer thingy, it's like, has infinite reach, so, yeah, it's still gonna reach this thing. Yeah, nothing seems to help about that. How do I do this? Shit. I don't know what to do about this one. Let me think. Maybe collider. What can I do in here? Probably not much. Yeah, because the Raycaster, right? Like that? Oh, probably actually like that, maybe. Right? Because I have the Raycaster to cast the Ray. Oh, now it works. Thank God. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay. Why does it, like, by default, it should be ignore Raycast? Like, hello? Like, I have a layer for that, no? Okay. Okay. The proximity color didn't change. Why? I have no clue. Okay, isn't it in a list? I don't know. You have to tell me. Is it in the list? Did you call it? That's the question. Did you call it? Okay, print. Add it. Right? Okay, let's play. Let's hit play and see what we get. Now there's one last thing to do. You have to wake up. Did it do it? No, it didn't. See, no, it didn't. It didn't do shit. Right? It should have printed added, but it didn't do shit. Is it a trigger? Yes. Is it do anything? No. What? Wait a second. What? I mean, what happened? Come on, man. What happened? Brothers ain't breathing. You gasping. Okay. What is happening? Why is it not turning red? Okay, it does not print. Like, it does not print that it's in there, which is very strange. Oh, because it's still a trigger. Duh. What do we do about this one though? Did they have like a mouse over, right? They should have that, right? Mouse over, right? Yeah. A mouse over. Okay. New input system unity on mouse over. High pointer enter handler. Okay. This is the new way of doing things. This is the new era. New era. And then on the point exit. Okay, let's go. Now I can do it. Okay. Now we're talking. Now we're talking business. On pointer enter. There you go. Yeah. Pointer event data BD. Okay, now we have this now. Pointer enter. I mean public, right? Yeah, and public void. There's no like actual thing to make it public, but like I do it so I do it so it's easier for me. Okay, who initiated that? Let's see, right? We don't have the collision, right? So I have to do it as I did it previously. Okay. Add it here. Copy this here. Remove that. Okay, add it here. There we go. In here. Okay. This is how it's gonna go, right? Okay. Main light, edit, whatever. Okay, remove. And remove. Right? Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Hit recompile and let's go. Okay. Okay. But nothing happens though. That's the thing. Nothing happens. Right? Absolutely nothing. Oh, and the thing! Jesus Christ. How do I do this though? Like, how do I actually do this? Okay, it should be ignored, but at the same time, it shouldn't be ignored. Like, hello? Oh my god. Capture layers. Well, event mask. Okay. When it ignores that, right? Hmm. When it ignores that, it ignores that. The bet frame, right? Shit, what do I do about this? How to solve collider overlapping unity, right? How do I determine, right? What I need is, I need this thing, not the other thing, right? To trigger on this specific case. That it's not allowing me to do that. Not allowing me. It's somehow, like over the thing, which I don't like. Okay, so it ignores that, but at the same time, I should make it not ignore this thing, right? Shit, that's tough. That's actually tough. I don't know what to do about this one. include layers. I don't know. Wait, open, Jesus. Like I literally don't know. You have to put this at like, shit. I have to put this at like, it should be visible. Like this specific collider. Why can't it just, kind of. Okay, what is max ray intersections? Okay, unity raycaster to D max ray intersection. When performing a raycast, whatever, it is not helping me. Max number of ray intersection allowed to be found. Okay, that's spooky way of doing things. Shit, how am I gonna do this? Think. I can do this probably, but I'm not sure how. I'm not sure how I can do this. Okay? Maybe I could code the proximity, but this is bullshit. Coding the proximity is kind of bullshit. Oh fuck. I don't know what to do. Well, I could code the proximity or whatever, but it's like, it should be like that. And, like, it should be all like, I'm not sure. Why doesn't this trigger, right? It stops at the first one, but it should trigger all of them. How to make raycaster to D pierce through each collider. No, it didn't continue fucking doing anything. On pointer enter detects the first trigger. Right? It's just not doing this. Wait, does this even work, right? If I, do this, does the proximity thing even work before I try to fix that, right? Can I at least see the result that I've made? Yeah, it kind of works. Oh, in a fucked up way. What the fuck is this? Now it's always green. Oh no. What do I do about that? Yeah, I mean, this is fucked. It's the other way around. Jesus Christ. I get it. But the problem is now, somehow it doesn't, like, it does all the fucked up things, and I'm not sure how to fix this now, but I have a theory on why it's like that. Okay. First of all, swap the colors. Obviously, Okay, everything works fine. I just need to swap the colors. Actually, the greater the distance, the normaler the color. Okay. But yeah, it should work now. Okay, and let's actually turn off the lights. Let's actually turn off the lights. See how it works. Yeah, proximity thing kind of works, right? So yeah, I can totally see like what I need to do. I can't click it, obviously. Okay, removed. Now it doesn't work. Try to add it, but it already exists. Okay, how the fuck does this exist? Oh, shit. English is not my thing. I know. Okay, add this. If it doesn't contain, add it. If count as this, oh shit. Yeah, I get it, I get it, I get it. Maybe yeah, but why does the coroutine not start though? And is null. Okay, maybe it doesn't nullify it though. The remove thingy, it doesn't nullify it. Oh, whoa, what am I doing? What am I actually doing? Maybe if coroutine, whatever the coroutine is, I mean, if proximity hints count is 0 after this one, you know what to do, nullify it. Stop the coroutine, I mean, and nullify it, right? Still stop it. And nullify the coroutine. Nullify it. Okay. We are done with this. Okay, nullify it. Nullify it. So does this work? Let's play that. Let's hit play and see how it will work. I hope it will work fantastic. Okay. Now? Yeah. Now it works. Remove added. Remove added. Okay. Just to be sure. Okay? Just to be sure. I'm going to print out each time the results of the thingy before I move on because I am concerned with the results. So many hints. Like for each var p and proximity hints and the p. Print the p. Print the p. What? What do you want? Why? What? Oh, I mean, yeah, else. Can't with the cells. I can't with the cells. Okay. Go. Okay, now let's look at that. Yeah, it's only one, right? It's only one. That's fine. That's fine. If it's only one, then that's fine. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, let's go to the proximity hint. Let's remove that. And I need to commit. Jesus fucking Christ. I need to fucking commit. There's too much changes. Oh my god. Too much changes. Oh my god. Sounding like the fucking guy, the Drakey. Drakey. Oh, Drakey. Okay? Oh, I didn't compile it. Um, Now it's gonna work. Now it's gonna work. Now it's gonna work. Yeah. 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 What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Whoops. Sorry about that. Spinner. Can't click on it. I can't with this. Oh my god, I can't click on them. What the hell is this? Oh my god. What do I do about this? Like, it can't pierce through the fucking it's trigger. Like, hello? It's just a trigger. Damn, boy, motherfucker. What are you doing? What are you actually doing? Like, can't this like physics fucking thing pierce through the thing? Okay, maybe two. Maybe two. Maybe actually 10. Maybe this will help it trigger itself. Right? Maybe this will help. It doesn't help. It's just not. Yeah, it just doesn't help. Yeah. I don't know what to do with this. Okay, there's a thing. How do I determine? Okay, collider, UD, collider, order that overlap. Okay, how do you order? Yeah, I also think about the Z, but like, I'm not sure. Okay, let's put it. No. I mean, not the bet frame. I mean, let's put the proximity hands. I don't know, maybe minus 10, right? Minus 5. Okay, let's put it at minus 5, right? At minus 5. Let's put this at minus 5. Is it going to do anything? I'm not sure. Yeah. That just doesn't trigger at all. At all. What the hell? What? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. He can't do anything about it. What? Yo, this is actually insane. Okay, and if I delete the proximity hint? Oh, suddenly I can click. What the hell? What the hell? What the actual fuck? I mean, like, are you good? Are you like good? Like, is everything fine? Like, hello? Okay. Maybe they're both on the same layer, right? Maybe I can put this one here and something will work, which I am doubting right now. But yeah, let's try to figure out a way, okay? No, it doesn't work. It doesn't fucking work. Hello? Well, to be fair, let's try this one as the, yeah, this one is the, transparent, and this one is the default, right? Okay, and see if this works. Yeah. Faster 2D captures. Jesus Christ. I am gonna lose my shit, okay? I'm gonna lose my fucking shit, okay? Shit, but, like, actually, though, do I have to have one collider? This is bullshit. Like, and how do I determine? Like, oh my god, this is insane behavior. This is insane behavior. I could do that. I could totally do that, but it's insane. Doing that is insane. Like, I should have the solution to this problem, and I don't have it. Bet frame, like, well, what does the composites do, right? Merge, intersect, difference, flip. I mean, yeah. Okay, let me try this one, actually. Okay, let's, for now, forget about this, whatever, right? Let's forget about this. Let's make it small. Okay, I'm gonna create a new circle collider. And I'm gonna add the composite, right? Composite, whatever. Okay, composite collider. And I'm gonna have merge, right? Operation on this thing. Okay, merge, and this collider, merge. Okay, now I have the merged whatever, right? This is the merged variation, right? Okay, now they work together, right? They are the one. Intersect. What is the intersect of those two does? Okay, it does it like that. Uh-huh. What is the difference to you? Oh. Mm-hmm. And the whole difference? I mean, merge. I mean, none. I mean, merge. I mean, intersect. Okay. Let's flip. What does the flip do? Okay. Flip, maybe merge. Maybe intersect. Oh, shit. I don't know. I literally don't know about this one. I literally don't know about this one. Mm-hmm. This is bullshit. This is actually bullshit. Like, I don't know what to do about this. Like, I'm so dumbfounded on the fact that I can't do anything about this. Like, hello? Okay, let's apply this for a second. I don't know what to do. Hello? Is anyone gonna help me? Or what? Shit. I actually don't know. Okay, let's think. Think again. Okay, so the problem is this motherfucker is like overlapping. Okay? And he's higher in some way, which I'm not sure how he is, but yeah, he's higher. Okay. What the fuck am I gonna do about this? Mm-hmm. Putting this one up front? What is this gonna do? Right? Is it gonna do anything? Maybe I'm not allowed to go at minus, but I'm allowed to go at plus. No, it's not going to do anything. Well, yeah, it's proximity hint. Supposed to be minus 25, right? So they're on the different levels, right? I'm not sure what it's going to do, but yeah. Yeah, it doesn't work. Straight up, doesn't work. Straight up doesn't work. And it's on the different level. Yes, change. It's okay. Put this at 0. Put this at 0. Put this. Everything is fine. I just need to figure out ways to move forward. Okay, offset. I can't do this, bro. It's like bullshit. Like actually bullshit. And I can't do that on trigger because he himself is the trigger, right? Trigger on trigger can't do shit. Somebody has to be the collider. Or maybe not. But I mean, how is this gonna work? Or maybe not. How is this gonna work? Okay, if they collide on each other, right? That means I can't do shit. Wait. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Fuck. I'm just like I'm in loss for words. Like, how the hell is this gonna go? Yeah. Just totally oblivious to this fact. How is this gonna collect things? Um, if not with that in mind. This is hard. This is actually hard. I think I need to do something with just initialization, but I think this is just wrong. Like I'm actually fascinated by the fact that okay, I think I need the one, the only for this thing. Okay, help me with that. Raycaster. Actually, I'm gonna explain it in my own language so I can explain myself better and see better results. Привет. Что мне делать? Вот такой вопрос. Что мне делать? Господи. У меня есть два скрипта. iPointer, Enter и Pointer. Как там было? iPointer что? Enter, Enter, да? Pick, Enter. Он к родителю, другой его ребенку. Ребенка коллайдеры разных размеров. На камере Russian Physics 2D Raycaster, который detected но проблема в том, что коллайдеры оверлапятся. И из-за этого Enter первого попавшегося из двух коллайдеров. Обоих. Okay. I asked a question. Now I'm gonna wait for the answer to that question. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. He says that I have to make the custom raycast physics 2D. Like, come on. No, 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 no. No. Oh my god. Is there an easier way? Like, can I, like, change something? Come on. No, I'm not ready to do all of this. Yeah. Ooh, this is actually good. I'm gonna click. Ooh, this is actually good. Thank you. You're so smart. You're so smart. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, this guy's so smart. Now I can easily adjust what I've made. What I need is, okay, each time, but it's only on a click. What do I do about this? What the fuck? What do I do about this? Oh no, it's only the click. Okay. It only calls clicks on clicks, right? Clicks on other clicks. But I have enter exit plus the click. Oh, I have it so hard. Oh my god, what do I do about this? No, what do I do about this? Oh, obviously it's not gonna be triggered each single fucking time. The click, the same goes for the enter. It's not gonna call click each single frame. Like, hello? How am I gonna do this? How am I going to do this? Wait, PD is like, no, but it's no. It's gonna be everywhere. It's not gonna work. I intended it to work. Well, I mean, I can assign the thing, right? On click, on mouse down, or some. Can I change that? Can I change that? On mouse down. I could probably do that, right? On mouse down, right? It does have that. So maybe I don't need that. But it has no clicks. Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do. This is so saddening to see. I don't know what to do. Well, I mean, I know what to do, but like, this is bullshit. What I have to do is delete the collider, have the distance, right? And you know, how am I gonna handle the thing? Well, I'm gonna just add them each time is gonna through them. Is gonna go through each single one instance of the objective. I mean, yeah, this is what I have to do. I think. So yeah, it won't work like that, unfortunately. Wait, on enter, it's only enter and exit, right? When it exits and when it enters. Shit, I don't know. Yeah, well, obviously I'm not gonna handle all the flex. Have to. Yeah, I have. I think I have to. Send me a hint and change that. Well, this is so sad. Okay. Well, I mean, what else am I gonna do? Infinity radius. Okay. Bullshit. I mean, I tried. I tried my best, but can't do that. Can't do that. Okay. This I have to go here. And when it's destroyed, it's going to be removed. Okay. Let's work with that. I mean, yeah, it's going to work, but is it good? I think it's not a good approach at all. I think it's bad. And it only, only complicates things. And, obviously I need to do it. Okay. Then let's have it 5, right? Any hints? Let's delete the circle collider. I don't need that anymore. Okay, let's save the prefab. Okay, let's hit play. That's gonna work. It's obvious that it's gonna work. Is it gonna work exactly as I want to? Well, there's already problems with this. For some reason, it just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Even though the radius is 5, for some reason, it just doesn't work. Okay, it was added, right? Was it added or was it not added? I mean, come on. Come on, I mean, bro. Was it cold? This is so unfair, bro. So unfair. Okay. Yeah, it's been cold. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Yeah, again with this stuff. Where exactly? 91. Unity radius goes through each one. Closest hint, right? Fine with that. So But the proximity color, fine with that. I mean, proximity color and the radius, right? It's not willing to. $94. Okay, normal light. Wait, LTG? Yeah? Is it actually LTD? No, I think it's something different. Color. Normal light. Is this distance? Is defined. Everything's fine. Color is fine. Everything's fine, bitch. Everything is fine. But for some reason, object reference is not set to an instance of an object. Okay. D color. Let's print that one and see how it goes. Right? Okay, let's play that and see how it looks in the console. Okay, 94. So, yeah, whatever that was here. LCD color. Color. Well, probably LCD, right? Well, shit. Heavy Wig, because I call it Heavy Wig. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wait, start. Of course. Okay. Here I'm thinking, why is this not initializing? Okay. This is gonna work, probably. Probably now is the time to work properly. So it kind of works, right? Yeah, it works. It's gonna be deleted? No, the color is fine. Oh shit. How am I gonna do this? Well then, main light. Void. Color back to normal. This would be, float time. F. While time is less. Equal F. Time delta time. You return no. Okay, and here I'm gonna change the LCD color according to the color lerp from whatever the current color is. Old color. The current color. Old color to double color. Color. By time. And probably I'm gonna add easing out back just because. I mean out. Yeah. Sorry. Yep. Okay, normal color. Let's recompile that. Yeah, this is a lot of work for so little, okay? And this pisses me off. Pisses me off. Pisses me off the twat. Okay. Yeah, I forgot. Totally forgot to call the thing on destroy, right? It's not. You know, how do I say this? If there's no objectives, right? If there's no objectives, where is it? There's no objectives, right? All this dark routine, which will change the main light back to normal. Light back to normal. I mean, it's not going to be public. Obviously, it's going to be private. Color back to normal. Color back to normal. I'm going to turn this into a public function. Okay. It's that. Okay, now we have it back to normal. Back to normal color. Okay. 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 Okay, now that I've made this trick, how do I do this in terms of like it being activated, whatever? So like first it's this, then it's the phone, then it's this, then it's that, then it's this, then it's that, then it's this, then it's that, right? So like there should be, a proximity guider or something like this, right? That kind of pinpoints the sequences to me. Right? How do I say this? I mean, I need it to be dynamic, right? That's the thing. I need objectives to be created dynamically. How do I do that? Somebody's got to be assigning those. and that somebody is like proximity handler or something like this. So I give it the sequence and he delivers. But the problem is, so I can do it in the main light, right? Remove it or add, and I can do it in the proximity handler. The sole point is to handle all of this and then to next. But there's a one catch. What if there's many? What if there's multiple, right? If there's multiple things I have to collect or something like this. If there's multiple things I have to collect. Is this what tomorrow me is gonna think about? Is this what tomorrow me is gonna think about this? No. It would be too cruel if I did this, okay? Too cruel. Okay, I can just dynamically add the things, right? I can just dynamically add them, okay? If I need this, then obviously what's on the prefabs, right? Yeah, so I can just, oh Jesus, it's easier than I thought. Okay, so the bed frame is going to have this next objective, next objective, next objective. Okay, I can work with this. Okay, bed frame is going to have serialized field game object next proximity hint, right? And if he has next proximity thing, if next proximity hint is there, what do we do with it? We add the proximity hint to it. Okay, this is how I'm gonna do this. Okay, let's recompile this. Yeah, but it's just too much, right? It's just too much of the things. Oh shit, it's like too much. Hello? Next proximity hint. Okay, it's going to be the phone, right? Because it's in the prefab. The relationships will save from prefab, right? So each time I, kind of throw the prefab, it's going to be the same. So I should be happy about that. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Now this works. Okay, let's add a proximity closeness of, maybe actually 5. And let's work with that. This fucking fly. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna be just in a second, okay? Holy shit, how many is it? Oh, guys, get out of here. Okay. Now. Down. Go down. Bitch, go down. Okay? You are going down. Go down. No, go down. Down. Bro, are you good? Thank you. Now, out of here. And the last one. The last annoying piece of shit is the MC. Okay. Come on. Be down. Alright. Okay. Hey. Hey. Now you move. Now you move. Hey. You. And they're all buzzing and shit. I hate this shit. Okay. Okay, now this is more tolerable. Tolerable. Fucking hell. Can't speak properly. Okay. Okay. So, problem simplified. Okay. Yeah. That's gonna work good. That's going to work good. Okay, now I need to change the tutorial phone, right? It's not going to be on trigger state because on trigger state just simply doesn't work. Okay. And I need to change the key input key to on mouse click, right? On mouse click and check if player is in the presence, right? Okay, let's do it like that. Right? Let's do it like that. And say that he is bool, player is in range, false. Okay. Player in range bool on trigger exit if collision game object tag is player. Right. It's the player. Then the player in range false. Okay, now on pointer, public void on pointer, click pointer, then data, ed, deal with this, right? Deal with this, but only if player in range. Okay, we take all this, put all this here. Okay. Yeah, I need the player reference, the game object, player reference. Going to be null. Reference is collision game object. Okay, that's it. Reference. Hello? Hello? What is this? What am I doing? What am I doing? Layer. 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 Come on. Layer. 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 Here it's also layer reference. Okay. Have the player reference and whatever. Okay, let's do that. Freaking do that. We wait for recompilation and then we hit play. Okay? Hit play. And see how it goes. Okay, he's probably in the range already. And phone just doesn't care, right? Phone is just refusing to care, right? It. I say pause and look at the phone in the current moment. What is this? Right? What is this? Has the proximity thing, has the collider, not so much collider. And let's look at the player. Okay, so they have two colliders, right? And if I click on the phone, boom, clicks. Just like that. Should click, right? But it doesn't. Come on. Come on. Where is it? Not being clicked. You dumb fuck. Oh my god, why am I so stupid? I pointer click handler. Hello? Where are you? Hello? Am I alone? Am I alone in this? Hit play. Let's do that. Hit play. Hit play. Play. Let's hit play. Wake up. Okay, phone sound. I like that. Boom. And I need some kind of light turner, right? That will be suited in here somewhere. I think it's going to be 4x4 or 8x8, probably 8x8, right? 8x8, and it's going to be something like this. Okay, it's going to be totally black and white, right? And it's going to be like this squiggly thing, okay? Something like a light switch, right? Something like a light switch. Okay. It's probably going to be like this. Actually. I think about it. Yeah, that looks like a light switch, I think. This does not. Yeah, I think this looks like a light flicker, right? Let's download that and light switch. And this is a light switch. Now we go in here, scripts, scene, resources, textures, whatever, light switch, boom. Okay, I've done this. 16. Point, none. Boom. Okay. Now we find the light switch and we place it in here. Oh, actually, decent size. I like that one. Decent size. 6.5, right? And minus 2.5. 5, right? Actually, decent size, right? I like that one. Actually, 0.5 here. So, okay, the player ain't probably gonna be this tall, right? Probably, yeah. Therefore, what do I do? Place it here? Light switch. just by 3? I don't know. Let's try that one. And somebody's... Who could it be? Connection, whatever. Right, and this light switch is going to have, well, obviously it's going to be in the room. You put light switch, right? It's going to have what? It's going to have the light switch script. Create light. Okay. Okay. And it's going to have public void flick. Flick lights. Realize field list of light Ds, right? Ds nuts. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry about this one. Lights, right? So the new list of lights. Okay. I have a new list of lights, which is good. And click the lights is going to go for each light 2D in this thing. Light and lights. And it's going to do what? You may ask me, it's going to flip them. Light. Okay. Serialized field float. In light intensity. Right. Light intensity is going to be this. Light intensity is going to be this. Light switch. Flick lights. We're going to have full turn on. Off. And if turned on, then light D, each light color, intensity, is going to be 0. Right? As simple as that. Wow, I can actually make this domino. Let's go. Else, for each light D, light, and lights, I'm gonna do this, right? Light intensity is light intensity. Intensity. Yep. Okay. Flick the lights, and it's going to be called in public void on pointer, flick pointer, then data, ed. Okay. And I pointer, flick them. Okay. Let me just that for now, right? With lights, right? And play it with the sound, of course, right? Who doesn't like the good sound of flicking lights? Okay, flick sound. click sound. Then do something. Okay, require component type of this. Come on, something. Require component type of audio source. Okay, I'm gonna require audio source. That'd be a way I'm gonna have to get it. You like to have to get it. Audio source. Yeah, component source. Here we go. Okay. Then audio source is gonna play one shot of flick lights. Flick down. Right? That's it. Now I have the light switch, which is great. It's totally great. The simple light switch. Okay, let's recompile. Let's recompile before I go. Okay. And obviously, because it's in the prefab, but I need to do this before. Light switch, collapse everything. Have the light switch. Okay, lights. Yeah, those lights are gonna be what you want. Light switch. Actually, add lights. Okay, light TV1, light TV2, 2D3. Okay. We have all the lights. Light intensity, which is gonna be 0.25 actually, because I think that's what it is, right? Should be anyway. Yeah. Alright, apply. Let's go. Now we have the light switch. It works fantastic. Okay. Now I need to find on the pre-sound. I need to find the light switch sound. Okay, light switch. Light switch. Come on, just to. Come on. Where's the loud click? Yeah, I like that. Ooh, so good. Ooh, so good. Okay, who made this? Yay, who made this? This guy. We'll go here. Boom. Take the effects out of here. Light switch. Kind of rose there. Okay, light switch. Right? There we have it. The light switch. Okay, but it's not gonna be just that, right? It's not gonna be just on point of flick. It's gonna have to also make sure that he's in the presence. And I see a pattern here. Here I can see the pattern of, making the thing detect my presence when interacting with it. And I can actually make this, its own script, so I don't have to worry about that too much and rewrite everything from scratch. But maybe I'll think about it later. Should I do it now? Okay, so it's gonna be one pointer click, PD, right? And it's gonna be action. We'll take PDs. So there will be some action on pointer click, right? I don't know which, but there's gonna be an action. And it's gonna be called only when the character is in the presence and I can click. Problem is, do I want to do that? Like, am I absolutely sure that it will happen like 90% of the time? Probably, yeah. Probably, actually, yeah. Probably, I don't care. Let's do that. First, yeah. The script is not supposed to be there. I bet. Okay. Let's create a new one, which will be interactable on click. Interactable in range on click. Okay, that's the description that I'm gonna give it. And it's gonna be exactly what I've described in the light switch, right? Where's the light switch? Light switch. Light switch. There we have it. So basically, it's gonna have. Okay, I need to clean this up. This is too much, and I need to commit. Come on, this is like unbearable to watch. So many greens. Okay, so it will need. Hold on. I am. It will need some kind of collider, which probably will be circle collider 2D, right? Yeah, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna circle collider CC2D. Yeah. Gonna take that. Probably I wouldn't even need to care about it, right? Yeah. It's a public void action, which takes pointer that data PD, right? For now. Obviously abstract. And it will have doesn't need anything on the awake? Probably no. Yeah, the only thing it's gonna do is gonna have the I pointer reference, right? To this interface, public void on pointer click, right? I don't remember. Yeah, PD. Yeah. Take the PDs and it's gonna call an action, right? That's its sole purpose. Call an action. What kind of action? PED. Okay, PED. Is that it? Is that actually it? Something's wrong with this. Not implement the interface. On pointer click pointer. Okay. This is gonna be abstract, right? The action. And whatever it is you're making, then like it's fine. Okay, bool is probably let's make it second, right? Bool is you okay? It's loading. It is layer in range false, right? And on trigger enter D will be player in range. Probably just like that. Probably I won't need anything else. Yeah, probably won't need that. I don't think it's going to get that complicated. What on trigger enter, player range. Ooh. On exit, false. Okay. That's it. And the act only if player in range. You can do it like that. Bullshit. Well, shit. Okay. We'll make an action. Okay. Now the light switch is going to be just interactable. Shit. Interactable. Shit. Interactable. Duration. Click. I'm going to delete this. Click lights. My action is going to be clicking lights. I implemented it, you bitch. Oh, PEs, right? I'm gonna overwrite, right? Ah, yeah. The action is going to be flick lights. Okay. Will this work? I think yes. Now I have a common class that I can use for each common instance, right? Now if I wake up and lead this character to this place, follow me, bitch. Now he can go because it's it's the light switch, right? Okay, it's going to be trigger and probably going to be radius. I don't know, like 1. Yeah, maybe about 0.5, right? It's easier for a player to click it because again, overlapping, so annoying. I don't know what to do about it. On E, it's kind of easier. But I think I'm gonna do the whole thing with a mouse. Ooh, this is cool. This is actually cool. But it doesn't do anything. Oh, I mean that duh. False. Well, there goes my ladder that I made. Okay. Turn on. False. I mean, what am I doing? I can go with the ladder. The ladder is good. I think the ladder is completely awesome. Okay. Ladder is good. What am I doing? What am I doing? The ladder is good. I like the ladder. Okay. Okay. Play. So I can play. Let's go. Let's go. Fucking play, bitch. Fucking play. Okay, let's go here first. Yeah, find some kind of, I don't know, I don't like the sound of it, right? It's the old soundbite that I've used God knows when. Typewriter sound. Just one. Just one. Ting, 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 ting. Yeah, I like this one. Okay. Okay. And the light switch, who made this? Okay. Okay, let's put it in the effects. Put it in here. Okay, I need to credit this guy. Brian Saraiva. What the fuck? Okay. Where is this? Saraiva. Okay. The sound, right? And I can use this typewriter sound. Soundbite, right? Okay. Now all I need to do is get the player where he is in prefabs. The player. Am I going for 4 hours, right? 3 hours. Okay. This is great. This is totally great. I think I'm doing good. Even though it's a snail pace, like it's good. What I'm doing right now is good. Okay, I need the player and I need his speaker, right? And I need the soundbite to be here. That's gonna sound good. I'm just tired of this sound, right? Yo, this is good. What about even lower amount of lights? This is actually good. I think I need to lower it. Actually really good. Maybe, yeah, maybe like that. Hey, what about 0.25? Is this good? No. Maybe like that? No. Maybe like that. Like that. 0.25, still great, right? I turned off the lights, you bitch. Okay. Stop doing that. Stop doing that to me, okay? I ain't no plane. I ain't no plane. Okay. 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 I actually can improve this function by, well, shit. It's never the arrows, right? I want to use the arrows, because they look neat, but, I never use them actually because there's more things to do, okay? I need the game reference to our player. Gonna be protected reference. I can always use. So it goes runtime without all this bullshit. Hey, player. Get the player in here. Player is collision game object. I mean, if it's the player, right? If collision game object tag is the player, only in that case I can do that, right? 1, 2. Okay. Same goes for this. Same goes for this. If collision game object tag is player, right? Then I can do this. Okay. Now I have the player that I can use in here. In the action, I can use it. Even Steven. Okay, player. I can use it to get a component in children type of text maker. I can say something, right? And that's gonna be my to do for tomorrow. Do something. Okay. Player. Get a component in children. Objective reader. Okay, we have the children. I have the children. Or, and I'm gonna do it right now. Or equals or stop. Yeah. I think that's it. I think that's actually it. I think it looks good. It looks freaking good. It looks already amazing, even though there's no like colors and stuff. It looks good. It looks good, bros. Looks actually good. Okay, at least in my perspective of good. I like it. I like it. Okay. Well, what am I gonna do, right? My next question is, what am I gonna do? I'm going to, first of all, test this off, right? That everything works correctly. Don't have any issues. Okay, that's the old thinking note. Here we go. Okay, like this. Right here, like that. Okay, so it works. It works. So yeah, I'm gonna. Well, it's gonna be the last thing, and then I'm over. Okay, I need to add the on pointer click, destroy the thing, but also light up the other thing. I'm gonna have here serialized field game object next objective thing, next objective, and if that's the objective, then the next objective component. No, I cannot do this. The reason I can't do this is because my proximity hint is always at the thing. Oh, I don't. It doesn't matter. Yeah. No, it doesn't matter. Proximity hint. Proximity hint, and then okay. Now, let's recompile. Take the phone in. Save the changes, and start from the start. Okay. Start from the start. And I'm gonna actually no. I'm actually gonna be here for plus 30 minutes, right? Yeah, I think plus 30. Because yeah. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do this one thing and then I'm gonna be gone. Okay. Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Yeah. Next object is gonna be light switch. have it. Okay, let's save that first before I delete all of this. Let's play this again, and I hope that you will, like work out. Ow shit! Ow shit! Ow shit! Wait, was it green? Oh shit! I didn't change it. Down. Yep. I didn't change that. Proximity hint doesn't do shit. Wait, what? How did I change the color the first time? When I clicked the bed, right? When I clicked the bed, I did something to, like, oh, destroy proximity hint, right? Yeah, destroy the proximity hint, right? Destroy the proximity hint. How do I do that exactly? I don't know. Destroy the proximity hint. And on destroy of the proximity hint, right? It has the remove from proximity list, and then yeah, I get it. I totally get it. But the point is that I am trying to make. Come on, is what do I do with the tutorial phone, right? No, what do I do with the light switch? Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay, like that. Destroy the proximity hint if it has one. How did I do that? Tutorial phone just had it, right? Therefore, it destroyed it. Therefore, there was no, like, oh, it's just destroyed with it, right? Here, I have to do it other way around. I have to find it in myself, right? Game object. If, yeah, component. Hand, right? If I do that here, then this will be great. I can get the component here. Then destroy the other component. Okay, maybe like this. Proximity hint. Proximity hint. pH. Okay, get this, get this. Okay. Proximity hint. Okay. pH. pH. Destroy the pH. Okay, destroyed it. I don't have it anymore. And that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yo, this is great. This is like beyond cool, okay? At least for me. Because I expected nothing of this, and like it's something. I'm making something, even though like I have no like initial plans. Like it's working out really well. Okay. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test this all over again. Plus, I'm gonna change each one of them to have the things. Proximity things. Plus, the left one is gonna be the wrong one, right? He doesn't like the left one. He likes the right one. this is gonna be like red. Okay, it's like red color, and this is gonna be the right one. Okay, let's see how it goes. And plus, change this. Okay, also gonna do that like that. Add component proximity hint. Down is the wrong way to go. Red, right? And here is going to be add component everything, but up right is the green one. Up left is kind of the yellow one, right? Kind of this, like, I don't know about that, but probably yes, probably okay. Okay, the same thing goes for this color. Down right? It's still on the right. And this one's still on the up. But this one is totally wrong. Like, you're totally wrong. Okay. Now, let's test this one. And see where it leads us. Okay. I hope I'm not gonna break anything while doing this. Oh yeah, and I'm not gonna see anything. Oh shit. Who cares about that, right? Well, shit. Well, shit. Okay, something's already wrong. What the hell? First, do that. Let's get it. Get it together, okay? Yeah, and I need to have this white fucking thing. I haven't figured out how to make this white square since, okay? Probably gonna have to create it at first and delete it at last. Whatever. But it doesn't do shit. Hello? Like it doesn't do shit. The proximity whatever is there, but it doesn't turn the light. Oh, because it doesn't have the main light, right? It adds the main light to it. So weird. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm totally wrong. This is the main light. Well, what's wrong with that? Right? I don't get it. Oh, it isn't present in the list. Oh, it wasn't added. Why though? Oh, it's like totally filled in. What the hell? Why does it constantly do that? Oh, change the color. Sorry about that. Yeah, after we compile this, I can see shit without it. Okay, let's see how it works. Let's hit play. Okay. Color's there. It's cold. So, you know, everything's fine. What is this? On disable whatever. What is this? Hold on a second. I need to check that out. Isn't present in the list. Okay. What goes wrong? That's the question I'm trying to ask. Why does this happen? Like, what is this? Unity editor on disable, whatever. On disable who? I think something went wrong, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Why don't you change shit? Like, I have the color. I have the color. Okay, let's go on. I think something's just off about this. I'm not sure what. What the fuck is this? Never been like that before. It doesn't work completely. What? Hello? It can't add shit. Hello? Does the fourth one has all the references intact? It should have all the references. Light switch, light switch. I mean, bed frame, bone. So it's all connected. Okay? Okay, left one has the proximity hint. What does it do? Again, at the awake, it finds any object by type of main light. Then adds the proximity list of main light at the start, right? The start it finds it. Okay, what the fuck is going on then? It was working the last time, now it doesn't work. It doesn't say who caused it, what caused it. It just doesn't say that. And for some reason, it's like, okay, let's look at that, I guess. Okay, you have to help me out with this, okay? I'm done. Okay, let's cancel that, save that, and close that. I think some problem occurred, and I don't know what happened. Because, it worked, and now it doesn't work. It's kind of upsetting. So fine. Oh, yeah. Come on. Do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, let's hit play again. And let's see what we have. No errors, but, still no things. I wouldn't go there. It says up or down. Doesn't change anything, mind you. Man, I don't know about this one. Corner, do you prefer this one? I guess the positions, right? Maybe the positions changed. No, no, they didn't. No, they didn't. No, not. What's 9 plus 10? 21? You stupid. No, nothing changed, bro. Nothing changed. Nothing changed, bro. Of course it isn't presently in the list. But why? What happens? I am adding this to proximity list. Okay? This doesn't make any sense. It was working, now it doesn't work. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Okay, let's print each time it gets added, print the proximity list. I mean, for each, oh, I hate to do this. For each var proximity, p in proximity list, right? Print p, okay? Recompile that, hit play. Right, left. And it doesn't change them. But the thing was called and, it does something. Right? Color is green. That's true. Where was changed? Okay. Okay, actually, I kind of regret that I've made this change. Actually, see what's going on with the pH. In pH. Oh, I mean, closest hint. Closest hint. And color. And print. Closest hint. Proximity. Radius, right? Maybe something didn't instantiate, right? Something didn't instantiate. Maybe like 2D or something. Got confused. Something along those lines, right? Okay. Let's see the results. Okay, 5. Good. Yeah. Now it's left. Now it's right for some reason, which is also interesting. But yeah, the color doesn't change. Still though, even though there's that much of the things, okay, let's hit clear. Okay, now it's left. Now it's right. I don't know. This one, but yeah. Still, like, there's colors, right? Wrong. Something's wrong about this. Colors don't change. Colors don't work. Oh, distance. Distance. What about the distance, though? What is the distance? That's interesting. Probably has to do something with the. Yo, now that I think about it, it has a lot to do with transform, right? It has a lot to do with the transform. And yeah, I have to account for it too. Probably like, yeah. But I mean, what's going on? Like, 13 who? Wait. Probably did something wrong here, right? Because first it neglected the thing, right? It neglected it completely. And it kind of calculated, and that was it. But closest hint to where? Okay, min distance. Okay, I go, for example, closest hint is the first one. Then we go from each thing and compare. Closest hint, that's an min distance. Its closest hints, magnitude, transform, position, whatever. And current distances, pH, current pH, the same thing. If min distance is bigger, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. be bigger. Jesus Christ. Yeah, min distance is bigger. Yeah. That should work. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at that. Look at that. This is cool. This is actually cool. Shit. It's like yes or no. Oh, I like this. I like this. I actually like this. Holy shit. Holy moly. Holy shit. Holy moly. Holy moly, dude. What the hell? Yeah. It's like, couldn't agree more. Yeah. There's one last thing to do. You have to wake up. Oh, it's still there. Guys, they're still there. They're not getting deleted. That's why. Because they're getting deactivated. Yeah, that's also. So I have to add on disable. Disable. Right? On disable. I have to add the same thing. Okay. Recompile it. Oh, Jesus. This is so cool. This didn't have to be this cool. It's cool. Okay, I like this. I like where this is going. Like, maybe not, like, it's not impressive by any means, but, like, it's, like, thematically, it's good. Like, am I the only one who finds this, like, satisfying? I don't know. Kind of feels good. Boom, boom. Wrong one. Don't go there. Up or down. And same. Which corner do you prefer? This corner. This corner. This. Couldn't agree more. Okay. Now there's one last thing to do. You have to wake up. Man, what a weird dream. I hope I didn't oversleep. I need to find my phone. Where in the hell did I put my phone last night? Yo, this is cool. This is cool. Okay, but I don't like the voice clear, obviously, but this is cool. This is actually cool. I like this. You know what kind of reminds me of? It reminds me of Rogue Legacy a little bit. Like that part with black and white stuff. Holy shit. It looks good. Okay, enough of this. We've made some progress. We made definitely we made some, like good progress. I like this one. I like where it's going. I still have, like, I still have a lot of days. Like, oh shit, I've been able to go to this point for 11 days. And, like, I've made so many substantial, like, component, component stuff, right? So now all I have to do is just, like, make the game. I mean, that's it. And, I honestly, if I'm not going to be, I hope I'm going to be okay with the time limit, but, like, anything could go wrong. I hope that by the time I hit 15, right, 15th, I will already have, like, some kind of rough sketch of a game, right? So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Anybody was watching this stream? Yeah, and bye bye.